What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I'm at Sunway 163 Mall. So I'm going to show you the place, the mall around here, and also what makes this mall, right, actually the place to come to if let's just say you are looking to stay in Mont Kiara. Why this place very high demand, and what are the buildings around that is nearby that you can actually buy or even rent, okay, if you are looking to buy or rent. So let's go. So I'm along Jalan Kiara, right? This is where the busiest part of Mont Kiara is. So I come there, from there I come in, it's about 15 minutes to reach Sunway 163 Mall. So this is how the mall looks like. Behind there is actually Oak Residence and Oak Suites, and beside is actually Aquaris Mont Kiara. Okay, so it's very strategic. Everything is within walking distance to this mall, and this mall has actually everything you need. So when you come out, right, that is Aquaris. Aquaris is actually a mixed development. It has a hotel, it has Soho, it has supermarket there, all underneath below. There's restaurants there as well. You go right opposite, you will see Palma and Pines. Okay, just down the road, you walk. There's this part here. There's the bus here. You just walk inside. There's Palma and Pines. Opposite is also restaurants and Shoplex Mont Kiara. Shoplex. Okay. So if you are coming from KL, that is where you come from. It took me about 15 minutes from there to here. So you come in, the Sunway 163 Mall is on your left. That is, you can go to upper floor parking, and there's a basement parking. Okay, this is how the building look like. So you can see this Wisma YNH here. Last time Sunway 163 Mall was named as 163 Retail Park, and the Sunway REIT has actually completed the acquisition of acquiring this mall back in October. Okay, so now it's known as Sunway 163 Mall. So this is how it looks like from the outside. Okay, I'm actually at closer to where the police station is. So right opposite this mall, right, you can see there's a lot of buildings here. These are all offices. Okay, this is Plaza Mont Kiara, same row. That is Wisma Mont Kiara. This is one Mont Kiara. Down there, there's also a shopping mall here. Okay, and right opposite there's a police station already. Behind this building you can't see, it's actually a residential place called the Aizen 1 and Aizen Kiara 2. Okay, so there's a lot of places for you to actually stay, to rent, just walking distance nearby from this mall. So let's come and have a look at what this mall has to offer. So I enter from LG1. I'm on LG1. Come in, on the left there's a lift here. So LG1 is where the supermarket is. That is Jaya Grocer straight away, and also there's a lot of eateries here. You can go and find anything you want to eat, it's all here, and also convenience store. There's even a lavender bakery here for you. Looking for pharmacy, there's Aeon Wellness here. Looking for fruits, there's MBG right at the end. Okay, more things to eat at Ichiban Ramen and Sukiyo and Fishbowl restaurant. Down here, right, is where you can actually get your bed sheets. Again here, the shop, right, is actually right underneath this escalator. Just this shop is beside the ATM. Okay, so when you go, it's liquor shop right opposite. When you go down, that is where you go to the Oak. This is connected right down to the Oak Residential and Retail Suites. Okay, residence. This is the connecting pathway. So we are on the LG2. There's a Daiso here. Daiso. And this is for courier. This is Pets Wonderland. Pharmacy here. Salon. Even there's a seamstress here. Kedai Jahitan. So you want to get your alterations done for your clothes, you can actually send them here. Dry cleaning services also here. And that's a phone shop. Tech Mobile. Okay, duplicate your keys, access card. These are all done here. Key, cleaning, sneakers. So this is the parking for. This is a basement parking of Sunway 163. This is the EV charger. Okay, so this one is going up to the mall. 163 Retail Park. Before that, let's go and check for the parking rates. This is the parking rates. So this is the parking rates as of 1st of September 2024. First hour 220, subsequent 220, and per entry is 20 for 3 AM to 7 AM lah. This is 20. Okay. So there is also a car wash center there at B2. Let's go to the shops. Before we go, these are the number of floors that is in this shopping mall. So I'm at B2. I'm at LG2. Okay. So there's one more parking here, LG3, and then B1, B2. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 floors. 10 floors. But I think out of 10 floors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors. 7 floors are occupied with shops. The other 3 is a parking. This is Breeze here, and this is the water feature. We have brew house for you to hang out. And this is more of the ramen shops that I do come to, and inside scoop. So the open concept of the mall very interesting. So that's why in the middle here, I'm on the ground floor. In the middle here, you can see these are all live plants. So it gives the mall the very airy feeling. You don't need so much of aircon. Okay? In terms of architecture, it's just beautiful. Save a lot of electricity. If you're a fan of cigar, there's a cigar lounge here. And also for your sports needs, there's a sports shop on the ground floor. So from the sports shop, you have Watson's Pharmacy. Across this beautiful garden here on the ground floor. Right opposite is restaurants as well. Nice open concept as usual. This is the highlight piece of the building with the water feature here like this. So this is the main entrance. There's a lot of cafe here. It's a cake deli. There's Social 88. It's very well known for their bar, being a drinking area. So if you want to go up to the first floor, this is up to the first floor. There's Coffee there. Right opposite Social 88, you will find this set cafe and restaurant. Receipt tonkatsu one my friend. Go down some more, right? You will see a famous cafe, and you also have Madame Kwan's. For you, if you have family, you want to bring family around, you have Madame Kwan's, or if you just want to chill, you can have Kenny's Chill Coffee here. Okay. So first floor, you will find Rebel Pasta. It's one of the better pastas place I've been, and also a lot of other shops. There's a gift shop beside, and a brand I think Malaysians will definitely recognize, My Burger Lab. Okay, it's a hot pot there, very fun hot pot. I'm on the first floor. So on first floor, you also have an optometry shop, and there's also the place where you buy luxury bags and watches. Chinese restaurant, Paradise Dynasty. Japanese Rakuzen is here. Hang out at Coffee, or if you want Vietnamese, there's also the Good Viet restaurant here. So you're not short of choices actually. On level 2, you also will find this fashion. It's a Korean mart, Chatterbox, and also Toys R Us. Salons, even a manicure shop. Okay, and right opposite is the Korean food, and also the Chinese. I think this Mala steamboat, if I'm not mistaken. And also nail spa and threading and waxing. Okay, it's a lot of beauty centers also on second floor. And this is skin center. I think that is for children toys. Creativity center. There's a clinic. This is a medical clinic, and also dental. If you need any dental services, it's on the second floor. KL Dental. Second floor is also home to a man barber shop, and also the Sunway 163 Mall Management Office side. Okay? On second floor also, you'll find a shop that is unique to this place. This is the onsen spa, the Urban Retreat Onsen Spa. Okay, so if you want to feel that you want to relax, you come for the spa and actually have a relaxed time. Okay, massage, treatments, everything is here. Aromatherapy here. I'm on the third floor. Third floor is actually the rooftop. So it's gown rental purchase. There are some shops here, very special shops. And because the place here is big, right? So you can see, oh wow, okay, this is for kids. Wow, this definitely will make the kid go crazy. Come here and let out steam. So nice. Play area. I'm at a rooftop. It's an open air rooftop. Kids Nation. It's a play area. Our business hours is Monday to Sunday, 10 AM to 8 PM. Okay. So from here you can see this is the open air. That is the residence. I think so. Water feature here, and there's ice skating ring here. Okay. Very nice place to walk around. The color. Okay. That one is the entrance to the residence. Let me just go there and show you. You can see there's even the ice skating ring here. I think that's where they go up. Not sure. Not an ice skating person. Ice skating or skating, I'm not sure. Should be ice skating. Look at the shoes like that. Watercolor. I think it's the name of a cafe though. Malden. Looks like a place of cafe. This is the exit and entrance for those who are staying in the suites and also the residents. Okay, so you notice, right, there's the same row, the same floor, sorry, there's also commercial lots like this watercolor here, watercolor cafe, and then this dino and modern. I hope I pronounced it correctly, sorry. So let's go and take a look. So if you are staying here, right, basically what you need is all within your walking distance. You don't need to go anywhere. Okay, so come in here. Oak Suites entrance is there. So this is a bakery and cafe here. Okay, and when you go down, there's Dino and Modern. Oh, Modern is a hairdressing salon. Oh, it looks very nice. Hairdressing salon, very nice. So this is Oak Suites multi-purpose hall and swimming pool. Okay. Wow, nice. Okay, so I'm still at this Oak Suites place. Let's go. You see this door? This door is where the residents can go to their side. Speech therapy. There's a art school, and then I think that is 1AH office, utilities. Yep, utilities. So this is Oak Residence lift lobby. You notice you need a key card, so resident can go in here, go in and out. Okay. Okay. So beside this blue ice skating ring, it's actually a cinema. This is Velvet Cinemas by GSC. Look at that, so atas the cinema. I think this one the most atas cinema I've seen so far. So it's Velvet GSC, and this is Mr. DIY on the left. Okay, and you have a learning center. So that's it for level 3, and go down already. So there's a money changer here, and also a cafe. Now I'm going to the retail suites and residence. Okay, so this is the entrance to this. And take the escalator down. Reach this glass door here. It's your Oak Suites lift lobby, and these are retail shops. Okay. There are retail shops also here. So we are the lot. So from here you can see the retail floors, actually 2 floors. This is the Provision Coffee Shop from 8 AM to 4 PM, Monday to Sunday. There's a language center, if I'm not mistaken, on the top floor. This you can go by staircase on the left. So you turn right, that will be the Oak Residence. But if you turn left, there will be the Oak Suites and also the road going to Sunway 163 Mall. So that's it for the tour of Sunway 163 Mall. I hope you like it. So by coming to a mall, right, especially investors, you must learn how to observe. If the mall has a lot of Japanese and Korean restaurants, then you know roughly your tenants, right, will be Japanese and Korean. Sunway 163 Mall, if you notice from my tour just now, I've highlighted a very Japanese specific culture, the onsen culture. They even have a retreat spa, the onsen spa here, okay? Hot spring, just like in Japan. So you know that if they open here, and I don't find this anywhere else. Okay, if they open here means there's a demand. So I hope you enjoyed the tour, and now it's time for me to go for my dinner. I'll see you again in the next video. This is Kenny here from Profit Stories. Bye bye.